comes down to the care credit card, you could definitely do a balance transfer for this credit card. And that's best for those people that got some type of surgery, or they got something done, or they had something with their pets, and now they have a high balance on their credit card. So to avoid that high utilization, you can definitely transfer the balance to a new credit card. Just get a credit card that allows a balance transfer, and you definitely can transfer that balance off. Now, let me show you guys my screen, because if I don't know something, if you guys don't know something, Google it. Google it, and that's how you guys are going to find out more about it. So let me show you my screen and show you what I Googled. So here it is right here. Can I transfer a balance from my care credit card? You can transfer a balance from your care credit card if you have another credit card that allows balance transfer. So you can definitely transfer that balance. And if you guys haven't already, Discover, their cashback card allows balance transfer. So let's actually go back to their Discover cashback card. This one allows balance transfers. So this can possibly be a good one for you guys. So no annual fee for, and then 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfer. They are going to charge you a 3% intro balance transfer fee, but you can do a balance transfer and then have that 0% APR for 15 months. So that's something that you guys can do if you want to be sneaky too and get that 0% APR on some of your purchases. You can do it through that care credit. You can just later on transfer that balance. Say if you have like a promotion too with the care credit, you can transfer that balance after that promotion ends too, to make sure you guys continue that 0% APR or whatever promotion that you guys are having.